Welcome to TokenMinds. My name is Fritzy, the Senior Content Manager here at TokenMinds, a creative engineering crypto and NFT agency helping businesses all over the world with their NFT and blockchain development, NFT and crypto marketing, and token sales strategy. Today, we are joined by Josh, our development manager here at TokenMinds, as we talk about the tips and hacks in NFT marketplace development. Hello, Josh.
Hi, Fritzy. Thanks for having me here.
All right, so first let's talk about the benefits of an NFT marketplace development. Care to share on this, Josh?
Yeah. So, in terms of benefits of an NFT marketplace, I can name three of them. The first one is it's a powerful marketing tactic. So, with the stiff competition among industries, blockchain technology and its adoption has opened opportunities for brands to take their marketing to the next level. The second benefit would be tracking of digital ownership. So if you have an NFT marketplace which is built on top of the blockchain, it is simple and easy to trace ownership history of a specific NFT. Even the creator's information is also publicly available. And lastly, automation through digital agreements. So with an NFT marketplace development, there's a seamless and secure way of transferring ownership of NFT assets and can be done with the use of smart contracts. So that's three of the most important benefits of an NFT marketplace.
All right, and then what are the different approaches of developing an NFT marketplace?
For the approaches, I can name two of them. The first one would be custom development based from your brand and concept. So, if you're doing custom development, you can turn over some of your branding guidelines to the developer and they can customize the NFT marketplace based on your branding and concept. Second, you can also use white label NFT marketplaces using existing marketplace models. This is a bit faster than the custom development and will save you an ample amount of budget.
Okay, all right. And then lastly, do you have any tips in developing an NFT marketplace?
So for developing an NFT marketplace, I can give you several tips. The first one is first you need to select your target niche. So since the NFT world right now is full of different projects, it is best that you target a specific niche market. This way you can define yourself against the competition and be able to focus more on the customers that you really wanted to target. Second is you need to determine a blockchain network. There's a lot of blockchain network these days. We have Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain. So you need to pick the appropriate blockchain depending on the need of the project. A good NFT marketplace development team or service company can help you deciding on this particular thing. And then you need to determine the features to incorporate in your platform. So there are a bunch of features that are important in a certain NFT marketplace, but I can name six of them that will be very important to have in your initial version. The first one is you need to have an attractive storefront. Having an attractive storefront will differentiate you and your brand against other NFT marketplaces that are already in public. Second, you need filters and search options to make it easier for the users to find the NFT that they wanted to buy or auction or save. Third is listing conditions. Being able to give listing conditions, categories, and those kind of stuff on selling NFTs is very important these days. The fourth one is an optional feature, but most of the NFT marketplaces have this. So I will say that having auction or the auction feature in your NFT marketplace is one of the important items to make sure that is available. Fifth one is ratings. Being able to rate creators is also a good thing to for your users to have insights on the particular project and how it has been performing so far. And lastly, support. Being able to have the option to support your users is very important in any NFT marketplace project. Another thing that you need to take into consideration in developing an NFT marketplace is hiring a well experienced NFT development company. So, if you will find someone to build your project, it is important that these guys have enough knowledge and experience in the industry so that they can build a more efficient and seamless NFT marketplace for your team. Um, During the build, for example, you already have the NFT development company on your team, you can already start developing your MVP or the minimum viable product. In a nutshell, the MVP or the minimum viable product is the simplest version of the product that you want to achieve. So once the MVP is complete, you can gather feedback from early users. Maybe you can share it with your friends, a certain community where you can gather feedbacks, which you can incorporate in the final version. As soon as you fix or incorporate these feedbacks, you can now release the complete version of the NFT marketplace. So, in a nutshell, developing an NFT marketplace is a requirement to if you want to succeed in the NFT business. The marketplace facilitates selling, buying, and trading of your collections. And we already shared professional tips to help you develop your NFT platform in the future if you wanted to. So that's it. Thank you, Fritzy.
All right. Thank you so much, Josh. Have a good day.